Hello, my name is Jelena Tiritrapush, and I am going to welcome you into this course that is called Get Your Dream Job. This is not just English for job interviews. This is a course that is going to give you much more than that. And I'm going to now share my screen with you, and I'm going to introduce you into the course. So this course is going to guide you from the process before even applying for the job to the process of getting through the interview. And it's also going to teach you how to behave after the interview and even when you get the job of your dreams. So we're going to learn how to behave properly, how to speak formally and appropriately, how to use our body language effectively. We're going to learn how to write a CV, how to write a cover letter. We're going to learn the importance of punctuality, importance of asking questions. We're going to learn how to behave when somebody catches us off guard. Later, we're going to learn how to answer the commonly asked questions and those that are less common. We will learn how to think rationally and get out of difficult situations and make a great first impression. Through this course, you're going to learn all that it takes for you to get the job of your dreams if you have the skill for that job. If what has been bothering you and troubling you was your inability to write a good CV, write a good cover letter, express yourself well, leave a great impression on the potential employer, then this is the right course for you. I hope you're going to enjoy it, and I can't wait to hear that you got the job of your dream. Good luck and enjoy the course.